Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Facebook Messenger Vanish Mode. Would you like to use Vanish Mode on Facebook Messenger app? Vanish Mode helps you to send disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger app. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open up Messenger app and log into your profile if you haven't already done that. Now tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Click on the lock badge at the top right corner to enable the Vanish mode. Now search or choose the user to whom you would like to send a disappearing message. You will be notified that it is a secret conversation. Now click on the lock icon and choose how many seconds will recipient have until this message disappears. I will choose 10 seconds. Now type in your text message and send it. When this message will be read, it will disappear within 10 seconds. That's how you can use the Vanish mode on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Facebook Messenger Vanish mode. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.